Sanibona bafethu, ngifuna ukukhuluma ngePirates. Angi-analyze igame ye-Carling All Stars, but what I've seen khona nanokuthi we are going to a second quarter of i-league. So nginabadlali that I think i-coach noma i-team umele iba ede ngenxa yenhloso sami. Siqala la nje. This boy unos 23, as you know ukuthi Undlovu, he plays as a right forward and he can play as a number 10. I think i-profile right ye-Pirates. Ubheka i-type of ukuthi Pirates, especially on the right, whoever was playing on the right, utaka in more like ukuba a double 10. So that is was ukuba eduze neball. He can score, he can shoot, une pace, he can run behind. Siyamdinga, and one thing une game time he's ready. Because ngibonile ukuthi especially njoba kade kwi-All Stars uwapolisi umfokenge umoreme ngekho, and masifuna ukwinye league kumele sibe ne-squad esoba competitive, because ucoach umbonile ukuthi he was trying abo Van Rooyen kuleya role, but there's no one. Player number 2, I think uSithole siyamdinga as a left back. I think uyafita kwi-profile ye-Pirates. He plays more bayamenza as a right forward. Uma ukhumbula uSibelebele is more like a Sibelebele, this boy. Siyamdinga kakhulu ka left back. I know ukuthi sometimes ucoach uSiyema he might choose him as a left back, but I think this boy is naturally kula role. It's like a mini Hoto. Good ngokwenza inqumo, ugood ngeshasha, and is good kuma 1v1, and ufuthi ugood kuya phambili. And Undaba njengoba elimele hamstring, you never know. I think umfana uzofika fit perfectly kwi-Pirates. Omunye umdlali bafethu Mathuludi, and I think it's time ukuthi uShandu, we need to let him go. And I've seen ukuthi we can't rely ku Van Rooyen, unama injuries amaningi, and omunye futhi umdlali uLebitso naye unama injuries. So I think lo u-ready ukuthi afike lapha athathe ijezi noma afike a-compete for ijezi. Another one, I've seen ukuthi Unda is not ready. Akekho ready. Itempo ye-league manje izoshintsha, and what I've seen kuyena azange ngiyithande. Like he was too rusty, lazy, shaky. He's a good player, siyamdinga ku-Pirates, but njengamanje sidinga ukuwina i-league. We can't asikwazi ukudabukela ama-players. So this boy for me is ready. Udlala kaFCON njengamanje, and i-game time uyayithola full yakhona, and he's a left center back. Coach ukushilo naye ukuthi udinga prefer i-left center back. So Undamane for me siyamdinga. And one thing i-Pirates will never get tired of having is da. So ida ize ku-Pirates compete. I liked ukubona uThuli angazomhype manje, but ngiyayithanda shape yakhe, and I love leya run. And bafowethu mina, for me uRedopane is the most complete player ka-Betway njengamanje mina engibonayo. I-physique, he can dribble, he can shoot, like he's a complete striker. Yes, akwazi ukuthwala i-Pirates okwamanje, but bafowethu for me more competition uRedopane noMbuthuma. uRedopane mina must start ahead of uMbuthuma, but ke coach. So danko sengivala bafowethu amabhoots la kumina atholakala ama-iPhone namajezi ebhola lana nje ngenza 1.7 lana 1.7 bafowethu first class. DM noma ucomment nje nginikeze inamba yami khona ile ku-bio danko.